This was an amazing experience. Absolutely loved Alexei, the tour guide. He was extremely helpful, patient and friendly. He made sure that we were all comfortable before taking us out further. This was our first time. We had an 8-year-old with us who wanted to fall in the ocean, and well, she got her chance to access because the waves got big. Alexei made sure we were safe and helped us get back on the jet ski. Absolutely loved it. It was so amazing, especially for me and my daughter. It was our first time. My husband a pro. We enjoy ourselves. We had so much fun, plus the pictures and videos was amazing. The guided tour was amazing. Feel like an expert after a half an hour and get some hang time. If you can't get your own jet ski, it's still fun to share. Alexis was such a great guide. Got great pictures from him, and he was very knowledgeable when we stopped to explain historical monuments.